क्या है इस वैकेशन में खास? खास का तो पता नहीं, पर वैकेशंस पास है, और वो भी बंबई के बिल्कुल पास ही है। With a distance of 278 kilometers from Mumbai and 25 kilometers away from Satara, it's locally known as Kas Patar or the Plateau of Flowers. The major portion of the plateau is a reserve forest.
हे करे चिववाची हा क्यों बाई हलतास मला जी
Kas became a part of the UNESCO World Natural Heritage Site in 2012, and it also has a Kas Lake built around 100 years back, is a perennial source of water supply. Many of the endangered plants are found on this plateau. यहाँ पर 850 से भी ज़्यादा species हैं flowering plants के. The plateau is situated at an altitude of 1,200 meters and approximately 10 square kilometers in area. The plants include orchids, shrubs, such as the carvi and carnivorous plants. खासियत यह है कि plateau seems to change colors every 15 to 20 days as the cycle of flowering plants progresses with the monsoon since June to October.
ये देखो in the middle of Kas. Beauty photographs. Superb.
कास की एक विशेषता है. It is a plateau made from volcanic rocks in the Satara district of Maharashtra. The flora of Kas, that is the entire flowering plants and the related plants, are typically restricted to this particular locality only. This is because the plateau is largely formed of basalt, which is directly exposed to atmosphere. इसकी खूबी ये है कि the basalt is almost covered entirely by a thin cover of soil, which is formed due to erosion and has accumulated a layer of not more than 25 millimeters. As the animal kingdom was heading home, it was time for us to wrap up day 1. सही में लोग कहते हैं कुछ खास ही है इस कास में. फिर मिलते हैं कल.